Welcome to day 2 of 120 days profitability challenge. In this series, I'm challenging myself to become a profitable forex trader within 120 days. How possible is that going to be? Well, I'm documenting every aspect of this journey right here on YouTube. The learning curve, the ups and the downs, every challenge, I'm documenting it right here. And today being day 2, I've planned to learn about IFC. And this IFC stands for Institutional Funded Candle. Some people say institutional funding candle. I don't care. What I want to learn is the concept behind it and how to use it the right way. So I woke up around 4:30 and I started my learning around 5 a.m. But there was a problem. Right after going through the video lesson, taking the necessary notes that I need to take, there was a light out. And what that simply means is that I wasn't able to do my kind of backtesting. I wasn't able to check for myself or verify for myself if the things that I'm learning, they really work on the market or not. Because the computer that I use is plug and play. By plug and play, I mean, once there's no direct current, I cannot use it. It has no battery to power it like that. So yeah, that actually was a challenge I faced. So I couldn't continue my lesson right after watching the video. So all that I did was to just go through the notes that I took, and I plan to continue or revisit that particular IFC lesson later in the evening, because even though I went through it and I took all the notes that I have to take, I still couldn't get the whole concept of that IFC candle. Theoretically, I understood it, but when it comes to the practical aspect, locating it on the chart, that was where I was having a problem. So I've planned that what in the evening, instead of taking another lesson in the evening, I'm going to go back to that particular IFC video, learn and make sure I understand it before the third day of this journey. So yeah, I'll see you on the third day and let's see how this whole journey is going to unfold. Like I said, I'm documenting everything right here on this YouTube channel. So to follow me and get updated on this journey, kindly go ahead and subscribe to the channel and let's move together in this journey. I'll see you. Peace out.